Hello teacher, my name is Awaka Sebastian Patrice Tansu. I'm in CP1B. I'm going to read the test titled Education and answer associated questions. Test Education. Education encompasses both the teaching and learning of knowledge, proper conduct, and technical competency. These focus on the cultivation of skill, trades, or professional as well as mental, moral, and aesthetic development. Formal education consists of a systematic instruction, teaching, and training by professional teachers. This consists of the application of pedagogy and the development of a curricula. Educational systems are established to provide education and training after for children and for young. A curriculum defines what children should know, understand, and be able to do as a result of education. A teaching profession delivers teaching which enable learning and a system of policies, regulation, examination, structure, and fund enable teachers to teach the best of their ability. Sometimes education system can be used to promote doctrine or ideal as well as knowledge, which is known as social engineering. These can lead to political abuse of the system, particularly in totalitarian states and the government. Primary or elementary education consists of the first year for formal structured education. In general, primary education consists of 6 or 7 years at schooling starting and at the age of 5 or 6, although these vary between and sometimes within countries. Globally, around 70% of primary age children are enrolled in primary education, and this promotion is rising. Secondary education consists of the second year of formal education that occurs during adolescence. This is characterized by the transition of the typical compulsory comprehensive primary education for minors to the optional selective tertiary post-secondary or higher education. Example, university, vocational school for adults. Higher education also carries tertiary first stage or post-secondary education. This is of a non-compulsory education level that follows the competition at the school providing a secondary education such as high school and or secondary school. Tertiary education is normally taken to increase undergraduate and postgraduate education as well as vocational education and training. Colleges and universities are the main institutions that provide tertiary education. Now, I'm going to read the question. Task 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. The meaning of a curricula is program. 2. The meaning of a totalitarian is dictatorial. 3. The meaning of academic is scholastic. Task 2. Choose the correct answers. 1. A definition of education includes the process to teaching and learning. 2. Everywhere in the world, children go to primary school. The age may differ. 3. Tertiary education refers to post-secondary education. Tertiary education is optional. Thank you for listening and have a good day.